Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using RStudio. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to check residuals normality when we perform the regression analysis, particularly linear regression analysis. You can find more videos on data analysis using RStudio, spss, Jamovi, Excel, and econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the data set. So I've used empty cards dataset, the inbuilt dataset that we have in RStudio. You can use these three commands, data, head, and help to know about the dataset. If you are already working on RStudio, you are familiar with the empty cards dataset. And if you write help, then you can see the format of the dataset. So here, first I'm going to fit the linear regression model. So let's say my model is simple linear regression model SLRM, LM, the command that we use, and MPG, that is miles per gallon, is my dependent variable, and that depends on weight, and data is equal to empty cars. So this is our model. Now let's see the summary. Here we can see the summary. Let me reduce the size. So you can see here the R square value is 0.7528. That means 75% variation in mile can be explained by our independent variable, that is weight. The F statistic is 91.38 and associated p-value is less than 0.05. So our model, the entire model is statistically significant. And here we have the value of our intercept and coefficient. So you can see this. The value of intercept is this, that is 37. Value of coefficient is this, and both are statistically significant. Now we want to check the assumptions, residuals normality assumption. So let's see. So for that, we first need to save the residuals. So now you save residuals. So how do we save residuals? Give name, that is res, and write residuals and the model. This is our command. This is our name, res. You can give any name and simply run it. So now residuals are saved. And then we check the histogram. So for histogram, we use this package. You can download this package, R companion. And then you check the normality assumption. So plot normal histogram. We use this plot normal histogram and then write residual, because we want to check the histogram for our residuals. So simply see this. So you can check the histogram. You can easily visualize that data is normally, the errors are normally distributed, but still we cannot be sure without using the appropriate statistical test. So now we use Shapiro-Wilk test to check the normality. So we use Shapiro test on residuals. So here we have the value. So we can see the test statistic is 0.94508 and associated p-value is greater than 0.05. Since this value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. And the null hypothesis for Shapiro-Wilk test is the data or the errors are normally distributed. And we fail to reject this null hypothesis, and therefore we conclude that the errors are normally distributed. So this is how we can check the normality for the residuals when we perform the simple linear or multiple linear regression model. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.